This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to work on reading some melodies together in tablature, as that is the focus of this lesson series. And right now in the lesson series, of course, we're working on those open strings. So we're playing melodies that use the open strings, and then we're staying in first position or open position. So our index finger is going to play those notes in the first fret, middle in the second fret, ring finger in that third fret, and pinky in the fourth fret. So this video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In that book, we're going to start on page 97. We're going to play songs 133, 134, and 135. We'll be on pages 97 through 99, but starting there on page 97. So we're just going to play these melodies together, and as we do, of course, we'll be jamming with the band, because I have recorded bass, drums, guitar tracks for us to play right along with, which gives us that ensemble context, makes it super, super fun. Each one of these, of course, is going to happen at two different tempos, first a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. As you're working through it, if you're struggling to keep up with the video, then just pause the video, work on the difficult spots, and then resume playing along with me. First at that slower tempo and then at that faster tempo. It's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and play these. Alright, I hope you're having fun with this. In the next video, you guessed it, we're going to work on some more melodies with tablature, so it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.